Switzerland.
Thank you.
Last, now everybody go to breakfast.
I cannot believe like this is my life.
You go bow for the result, though. Nothing to discuss, cause I did provide fountain without any doubt, though. I'm a me happy adult, though.
We're gonna do this. Oh my god.
What? I put my life into my job and I know I'm in trouble. She manipulate my love, oh. I know holy and I know that careful. Like the Baba fry, oh. My eye, oh. Don't cry, oh.
Hi Mika Squad. So it is day 2 in Switzerland. So let me give you guys a quick outfit of the day, seeing that we're running behind schedule. Today I'm wearing my blue top from Primark, the same jeans from yesterday, and my blue sandals with some gold accessories, and of course I got it from Fashion Nova, and today I feel so pretty. Let me also tell you guys the fragrance of the day. Oh, and on the lips, Faith's Collections, of course, with a MAC, I believe it's chestnut lip liner. So the fragrance of the day is the Prada Paradox, just because the part of Switzerland we go in today is just so beautiful. Not as if yesterday was not beautiful, but y'all will see when I get there what I mean. So this is my fragrance of the day.
She said take your time, what's no rush. I said, baby, I'm a dog, I'm one. She said, take your time, what's no rush. I said, baby, I'm a dog, I'm one.
Guys, look, we found an apple tree. This is so cool.
I see past pretty faking, so I got trouble trusting. But I let my guard down to you. Tell I put my guard down to you. Tell I be.
So guys, right now we are going to Lucerne. So right now we are hustling to get to our section. So we finally made it.
I said, baby, I'm a dog, I'm one. She said, take your time, what's no rush. I said, baby, I'm a dog, I'm one. I'm a dog, I'm a money. No crib talk come through, it's time to break it in. 32 live on pants size, cause they try to break it in. New condo, say your name at the front. You can stay if you want. It's been one of those nights I ain't had in a minute. It's been a minute, had to pop a shoe to recreate the feeling. But it's never the same as the first time we did it. But I let my guard down to you. Said I'll put my guard down to you. Said I'll be vulnerable, so you can break my heart if you want to. She said take your time, what's the rush? Take your time. I said baby I'm a dog, I'm a man. She said take your time, what's the rush? I said baby I'm a dog, I'm a dog, I'm a man.
Hi Mika Squad. So we finally make it to Lucerne, I think that's how you say it, and we're just about to walk around and really see what is around here. We don't have anywhere that we have to go to, so come along for the ride. Yo, I'm so tired. I'm sorry if my mood seems a little off. I'm a little tired, I'm slightly hungry, so just bear with your girl. I'm really trying. This is my first time actually vlogging every single day, getting pictures, everything non-stop. So I'm a little drained, but I'm in this. So I'm in this just to make sure that y'all live life through my lens a little bit. So I'm excited about that. So my sister and them now came back. We bought tickets earlier, but it was only from point A to B, and it was like literally 139 Swiss dollars or Swiss franc. So we were just making sure if when it's time for us to go back home, if we would have to buy tickets again, in which we do have to buy tickets again. So yeah, that was the clear up. So probably that's why when my sister was like, oh, why is it cheaper here? Probably that's why, because when we were actually at the previous stop, we selected the one for the 24-hour pass compared to here, which was just point A to B. So that's what happened. But enough of my talking, let's get in to the vlog. So right now we're going to Starbucks. Hi, how are you?
Welcome to Switzerland.
Thank you. It's a very beautiful city here.
Yes, come more.
Enjoy it. Enjoy it.
Thank you.
Thank you.
That was good.
That was good. That was so good. So now we are going to Starbucks to see what it's like, because we haven't had a McDonald's, since we left Rome. So right now we're going to see what it's like here. So let's go. Alright guys, so let me see. So right now we have a lot of people sitting, and you know, the girl likes to respect people's privacy. So now we just waiting on the kiosk to place an order. Probably I'll just get some French fries, because I don't really eat McDonald's like that, I'm sorry. But let's see what the menu looked like, because the menu in Rome was huge and lovely. So I hope this one is huge and lovely too. Oh, they actually have like veggie patties here. That is crazy. Well, that's all I could have read. Girl, I saw you. I was like, why is she sleeping like that?
I couldn't, bro, because do they not have coffee though?
Oh.
That's what they have. I don't know what this is. I don't know what that is. Coffee with milk. Oh, what is this one? Tell the dog.
Guys, so you know how they have the caramel frappuccino? Over here they have the cappuccino caramel, the vanilla, and the strawberry. That is so cool. What else they have? Oh, they have apple juice. They have Lipton iced tea. I wish we had like the peach iced tea in America, but we don't. So everything we just got came up to $22.20, and I'm not sure how, because they only got a few coffees. One small fry, one regular. Oh, the frappe is $5. A small fry is $4.50. Awesome. Guys, so tomorrow we're going back to Rome for one more day. So tonight I'm really going to go to bed early, because you guys already know, once we in Rome, we do not know what being inside at an early time is. So yeah, I'm excited. Like, I love me some Switzerland. Over here is like so peaceful, in my opinion. Everybody mind their business, and I love that. Like, they peep, I peep, we keep it pushing. Like, I love that. 10 out of 10. Okay, y'all, so my French fries came. Can I try a vanilla frap?
This is my dog.
It's hot or cold?
Oh.
It's not like a...
They don't do plastic. They don't really do plastic. They're trying to minimize the amount of plastic.
It's icy?
That's sweet.
Is it not like ours?
It's the same, but they just use different cups. It's not sweet though. It's like, you know that. Like, they put it in the pig, but it's like that early.
Can I uncap it?
Yeah.
So this is what theirs look like. I was expecting something different, but it tastes really good. So here's where we're trying to go to. Look! so I got it on camera. Oh, this one is huge.
That's a swan. What are you talking about?
That's what I said. This one is huge.
Oh, I heard this one is huge.
Y'all, I'm really starting to notice that Layla and I are drawn to these birds. I don't know why. But we have been seeing birds all week. So right now he's currently playing a song, but y'all can't hear it because we're too far. It's so beautiful. I cannot believe like this is my life. As much as I miss home, I miss America, here is so beautiful. Ah! Okay, so I feel like Lucerne is giving America vibe. Like it seemed very busy, and you know, people like on it, and I love that for me. I wish that I could have this moment for life, and at this moment I just feel so alive, alive. Guys, look at the steamboat. Hi guys, so right now we are about to go see the Lion Monument. It's one of the biggest tourist attractions here. So we are currently 3 minutes away from it. So we're trying to get like right there. And yeah. I don't know why I keep saying and yeah, but yeah. Y'all, per usual, my sister got us walking up these big old hills to go see views. Look at them. All right, I'm a little dramatic, but that's the hill, y'all. So yeah, I'm so tired, y'all. I don't know, today I'm just really tired. Over here has such nice flowers. I'm not sure who is doing the flowers, but 10 out of 10 flowers. Did I show you guys the flowers? Just in case I didn't.
They heard that because I stick my head on over and said, I see you.
I see you.
I don't think they heard that because they didn't come back inside.
Da, 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 da.
Oh, this is like taking 3 years later, bro.
We almost there. Over here on this side seems more residential, and I could get with this. I could 100% see myself living here. Yes, y'all, we back with this. We back with this. We back with me living here. Come on, Layla. How you got me in front of you?
I don't know how I want to walk up this here.
And I'm bigger than you.
I want food.
You gonna go eat after? All right, guys, so my sister tapped out. We have to take the stairs to get up to the top to get like the lookout. So I'm gonna show you guys what the stairs look like. So this is what the stairs look like. So we will have to take 1, 2, 3, probably 4 or 5 flights of stairs before we make it up. So my sister is like, absolutely not. That is not hiring. And do y'all see how we dress? We did not come to hike, baby. I also really have not been talking this trip because I'm just trying to like detach and really soak up what is happening, along with bring y'all along. And I'm really just enjoying the whole vibe over here. When I say everybody just minds their business, so it's like you're recording and nobody really even looking at you, and I mess with that. I mess with that, you know. The only people that really interacted with us is a few people, and those 2 young ladies that you guys saw before. And again, they're like so friendly. So yeah, so now we're on our way to go get something to eat. We're not too sure what we're gonna get to eat, so once we figure it out, I'm gonna come back and show you guys everything. Okay guys, we back on track for the wall. We ended up going the wrong direction. My sister was on directions. That should have been the first red flag, and making sure, leaving her in charge of the directions. So when I took it and I look at it, I was like, no, we going the wrong way. So now we back on track. What you gotta say, Layla?
Keep me out of this. I want to go get something to eat.
Layla hungry bad, y'all. But yeah, I had to stoop down in a little bush and pee, child. Ooh, but let me show you guys the view. It's beautiful. Look at these houses. This pink one here is speaking to my soul. I will live in there. Cause why not? Should I live in anyone if we be in Rio? Still walking, guys. Still walking. Now we at the actual house. Come on.
Bro, I'm about to roll down this hill.
So roll, Layla, roll. I'm ready for you.
I thought I would be going back down.
Fine, you can start now.
Yo, are we going back down yet?
Whatever. She not about that life. Cause she would have dropped it and started to roll. Guys, we finally. Hold on. So guys, we finally made it up the Because that's what it felt like, climbing up those stairs. Whew, but it's beautiful though. So this is the wall.
Yeah, you said apple. Alright.
Alright guys, so that is one part of the view. So now we're gonna see the other side of the view. Y'all, they have mad pears and apples, and I want one so bad, but they barred it off. So I'm like, you know what, I'm not getting locked up in Sweden. Sweden. Switzerland. Sweden have a ring to it, I'm not gonna lie to you. Samples. So this is the tower we are at. Okay guys, more stairs, but we're gonna do this. Oh my god. What? Oh my gosh. I'm so happy they bought it up because that's the only house.
This is steep.
Very steep.
Brace yourself, brother. Oh, damn.
If I'm doing it, y'all can do it because I'm a chicken for real. Oh guys, we made it.
Oh, that's the bridge. It's a terrible.
So it's like a little house to the top here. So you could watch out to see who come in. Oh, this is pretty. That's the same thing I was telling Leah just now. So this is what it looked like. Take your time, ma. So this is how I think they used to do it in war, right? So they used to come out here because remember it's like 9 of them. I don't know if you guys can see like 9 of those little towns right there. So they probably used to use this outside here to go to the other one and communicate. And then it have little windows. I'm gonna try to show you guys just now. It have little windows that they used to shoot the bow and arrow out of. Let me zoom in so y'all could see. So those little windows right there, they used to shoot the bow and arrow out for those who was like close to them. And yeah, period. I love that for them.
I was like one of the people that they're shooting a bow and arrow at.
Layla, just go in. All right, guys, that was so cool. Like this is the first time I ever said, you know what? I'm not gonna let my heights, my fear of heights deter me. But we all went up except my sister. So next time, hopefully, she come all the way up with us. Go ahead, Layla. Layla cramping up. So I'll see you guys once we get all the way back to the bottom. So this is the little windows that they would shoot the bow and arrows out of. And it is so crazy. Like, I'll never forgive y'all for not taking me to the chocolate factory. Y'all, they have so much chocolate. Gonna have one of these chocolate shucks coming soon. whenever I make it, just know I want to work with this company. Okay, whenever that is. Like, I'm so obsessed with their brand from since 8 years ago. So obsessed. And I want to model their glasses, their jewelry, and yeah, mainly their jewelry, you know? So yeah. Okay. Fine, so don't look at me. Guys, look. So beautiful.
Fire dance all the breathtaking. So what? We had a fire.
Okay guys, so my camera died, so right now I'm recording on my phone, so the quality may look a little different, but right now we are heading home. We ended up stopping at the co-op or coop to get some refreshments. Y'all, over here they don't really eat out, they mainly like drink from what I observed. So we literally have been surviving on sandwiches, literally. So we ended up getting a Coke as well. So now we're about to go home. Hi Mika Squad, good morning. So right now we're currently getting ready to head to the airport because we going one day back to Rome just to enjoy that life one last time. So that is all for today's vlog. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and turn your notifications on so you can know every time your girl posts a new video. Bye. now we are going to see what the back of the hotel look like. So we just walk in a little bit while my sister waits to check in. And I love it. Well, I like what the outside looks like. And then it has stairs to go up. And then so then hold on, let me just make sure everybody is close. So then you walk back out, and then it brings us right back to the front of the hotel where the big bus is at. Hi Mika Squad, so right now we are finally at the Best Western Hotel, and I'm about to give you guys another room tour. So let me show you what it looked like. So once you walk in, we already made ourselves at home. Once you walk in, it have this full-size mirror right here. She in the bathroom, so we're gonna wait. And then as you keep walking, it have like a little table space. Let's see if this is a fridge. We have a little fridge and a little seating area. Then once you turn around, it has the bed, telephone, 2 tables that could hold, I guess, your phone and your drink before you go to sleep. And it also has a tiny bed right here. They also gave us some towels and stuff that Mama Jill put her dirty stuff on. And then as you keep walking, it has a little window. Ooh. A little window that you could see outside, and it's not too bad. Then as soon as you walk back, here is what the bathroom looks like. So it has a full-size mirror. It comes with hair dryer, some extra towels. Over here they have a lot of bidets that you could use, and then a little sink. Wait, this one is the toilet? I'm confused. Yeah, this one is the toilet. I don't know why it have that band on it. And this is what the shower looked like. And here they just gave you some soap that could be used all in one on your hands, hair, and body. And then I have a little thing to hang up. Let's see once you close it. So immediately, my favorite part of this hotel is the bathroom. Like, it's very modern, and it's a little different compared to the other hotel that we stayed in the heart of Rome, which was the Mozart. I love Mozart, but here is okay for what it is. Here make me feel like I'm in Hillbilly Center a little bit. I don't know why I got that feeling, but yeah, I'm like, I feel out of place. But we're not gonna stay here all day, so I'm happy about that, cause girl. But yeah, the hotel is cool, and you guys already seen the pool. It also came with some complimentary teas and stuff, and Mama Jill already took the kettle because she can't see some tea, so that's what we're about to do. And once we figure out what we're gonna do today, I'm going to come back and give you guys an update. Hi Mika Squad, so it is finally pool day. So this is what the outfit is given. It's this cute little branch outfit. Is it green and pink from Fashion Nova, and I have my Michael Kors sunnies and just some regular slippers, and of course the scent of the day is my Tiger Lily from Victor and Wolf. So yeah, let's go. Okay y'all, so right now we at the beach. Is a few people here, so I'm not gonna record because again, privacy. But yeah, it's a cool, nice little vibe. But I'm about to get into the water, so I'll talk to you guys once we're finished. Guys, when I say it was cold, it was so cold.
Last, now everybody go to breakfast. nothing to discuss, oh. Cause I'm the one by default and without any doubt, oh. I'm a me happy adult, oh. I no go feed the girl, I no go feed the girl, it's out, oh. I'm a mind that's with the talk, oh. I put my life into my job and I know I'm in trouble. She manipulate my love, oh. I know holy, and I know that devil.
You want your fix, man.
I did what I got when them kills Obama. I did try to buy moto, Toyota Corolla. My feelings been they swing like Django Lover. Feelings been they swing like Django Lover. Now you crash your Ferrari for like Ibona. Now so much you make with that pain all over. My feelings still they swing like Django Lover. Feelings still they swing like Timbani at you. I'm a white dog in Venice. Why you say I did nothing for you when if I do anything